We would like to introduce to you the Math and Dosage Calculation series created by the NAH CLE tutors. In this video, we will be covering measurements and abbreviations. The content that we will cover are systems of measurements, common medical abbreviations, and administrations. The metric system. Here's a chart that you can reference. Please note that no commas on amounts at or above 1,000. A comma can be misinterpreted as a decimal point if not written legibly. Household system. Household units are likely used by patients, so be familiar with the measurements to explain take-home prescriptions. Here is a chart of household measurements that you can reference. Please note that ice chips will be recorded as 50% of measured volume. An example, 1 cup of ice chips equals 120 mL of water. Here are some examples. International unit, unit, milliunit, and milliequivalent. 4 other measurements used: international unit, unit, milliunit, and milliequivalent. Here's an example of medication measured in units. And here's an example of medication measured in milliequivalent. Here are some common medical abbreviations. We have AC, before meals, BID, twice a day, HS, hour of sleep, TID, 3 times a day, QID, 4 times a day, QH, every hour, Q2H, every 2 hours, Q3H, every 3 hours, Q4H, every 4 hours, PC, after meals, PRN, as needed, and STAT, immediately. Please note that military time will be reviewed in video 7 of the series. Units of measurement. Please reference this chart. And here are some general abbreviations. Please note that for tablets only, if the value is less than a whole number, you will always write it in fraction form. A correct example would be 1.5 tablets. Incorrect would be 1.5 tablets. Routes of drug administration. We have HHN, handheld nebulizer, ID, intradermal, IM, intramuscular, IV, intravenous, IVF, intravenous fluid, IVPB, intravenous piggyback, NGT, nasogastric tube, PEG, percutaneous endoscopic gastrostomy, PO, by mouth, ER, per rectum, SL, sublingual, sub-Q, subcutaneous, suppository, topical, OD, right eye, OS, left eyes, OU, both eyes. And here are some more examples of routes of administration. Disclaimer. The Math and Dosage Calculation series are a resource created to strengthen the comprehension of the concepts required for the NAH nursing program. These supplemental materials do not guarantee a passing grade and may differ from actual test questions. Proficiency in math and dosage calculations is an integral part of safe nursing care. To assist the students in preparation for the math test, math modules are available throughout the CLE or by request from the ADN department. Other ways to prepare for the test. Purchase and study the practice exercises in a medication math book. Utilize the CLE tutors. Practice worksheets at the CLE. Note: always follow course directives and instructors' preferences. Do not hesitate to contact instructors with additional questions or for clarification. Thank you.